Uh, Happy Saturday, everybody. As you can see, we are got a big weekend project going on here. I did get my new custom cam from Ed Curtis, so that'll be going in today. I did get, I've got the comp. These are the 877-16, the race short travel lifters. So I got those soaking in some oil. So we'll be switching out to the comp lifters. As you remember, we did have a lifter failure. So, but I'm pulling the heads off because one thing I realized with this custom cam and everything, I realized last time when I installed these springs, which they are the correct springs that were spec'd for this cam, and they are a kit for the trick flow heads, but I didn't check the installed height. So I went ahead and did that today, and turns out I need to install 60,000 shims to make sure these are got the right pressures. So I've got these three done already. I'll continue these and get those all there with, obviously got to install new seals. And luckily I found a machine shop that was open that could check this for me. Motor Machine in Fair Oaks, if you're in the NorCal area. Don took care of me. 35 bucks for the seals and the shims, and he checked the installed height and everything for me. Got me in spec. The 60,000 shims will be in spec. So luckily I checked that. I don't see any signs of any piston to valve clearance issues or anything like that. And also we'll be installing our full exhaust. Here's the ceramic coated BBKs with Marco Muffler. Marco Muffler took care of me on this one, where he installed a 3-inch ball collector on there. So that's going to mate up. It's going to mate up to my 3-inch X pipe perfectly. Little to no restriction. So I'm real happy about that. These came in damaged from BBK, so they gave me a $100 discount. And Marco Muffler charged me $100 to install these 3-inch ball collectors. So the only thing I'm really out is the price of the 3-inch ball collectors, and everything else is a wash. But then, so we'll have the 3-inch X pipe going on this weekend. My new custom cam from Ed Curtis, which is spec'd for this complete combo, not the mismatch that's in there now. Cam that's in there is for my last year's combo. So got plenty of stuff to do this weekend. So hopefully we'll have it done by tomorrow afternoon. But first things first is switching out and shimming up these valve springs. And these are the Lonati's from Ed Curtis that are spec'd for the cam. But I went ahead and I had to adjust the installed height to make sure the spring pressures are correct. So, but I do like these springs. Obviously, even with a little bit lower spring pressure, I don't think we were having any valve float. But oh, and I did figure out on my past when I was hitting the rev limiter when Matt at Leach Motorsports took a look at my data logs. It looked like we did hit the rev limiter, so that's going to be adjusted up 300 or 400 RPMs, and we'll give it another shot. Hopefully we'll be back out there on Wednesday. Oh, one other thing I do have on order. I do have on order a T5 Z spec. I'm going to order that. I ordered that from Summit Racing. I think it'll be in by the middle, like in 2 weeks or something. So we'll get by with this one for now and try to get it to the track one more time. And then we'll have a Z spec going in October. So just in a couple weeks. But anyway, that's the update for the weekend. Shim up the valve springs, install the new custom cam, and install the ceramic headers with the full exhaust, the 3-inch exhaust. So hopefully this thing will be manageable, and I'll have an update video for you guys tomorrow with a startup and see how she sounds. Anyway, have a good weekend, and thanks for checking out my videos.